Hey, Justin here with Georgia Wash, the quick little patio wash in the back. We also hit that retaining wall you can see in the far corner. Yeah, just we downstreamed about a 4% mix. Killed all that algae that you'll see. We ran a surface cleaner over it real quick, but I cut most of that part out. You'll see the rinse. You'll see the downstream here in the rinse. This 4% mix pretty much kills everything pretty quick. And that's all we really needed to do. Put a surface cleaner on it just to pull up some extra stuff. And then gave it a rinse. It's a beautiful day here in Georgia. Enjoy the video.